seeing duplicate entries between your bank feed and your manually entered transactions? Let's talk about matching, the feature that keeps your books clean. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. When you enter a bill payment or expense in QuickBooks, and it also comes in through your bank feed, you don't have two transactions. You have one transaction that needs to be matched. Go to your banking feed. You will see transactions from the bank, and below them, you might see potential matches from your books labeled recorded. QuickBooks will often suggest these matches automatically. To confirm, just select them and click Match. If you don't see a suggestion, you can manually find and select the corresponding entry you created. My crucial pro tip: always verify the details before matching. Make sure the amounts and payees are identical. This prevents errors and ensures your bank reconciliation will go smoothly later on. Matching is the essential step that merges your internal records with the bank's reality, keeping everything in sync. Do you match transactions daily, weekly, or when you do your reconciliation? Tell me your rhythm in the comments. If you appreciate straightforward guides, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.